Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A90 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power key. When you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This then brings up this window right here, reboot to safe mode, so confirm by tapping on OK and simply wait for the device to boot back up. Now while it's rebooting, I'm going to quickly go into this mode. So safe mode is usually used to troubleshoot your device, so if you have some kind of problems with it that aren't hardware based, so if your screen is completely broken, cracked and not responsive, putting it into safe mode won't help you. And obviously any kind of physical damage to the device internally or externally will not help it. But if it's software based, so some kind of like virus or anything like that, putting it into safe mode should help you, because any kind of application or problem that you might have been having should be completely removed in safe mode, considering in safe mode the phone only allows you to use apps and the processes that come by default with the device. So if you have installed apps, they will not run whatsoever on this in this mode. So anyway, that is how you boot into this mode. There we go. And to leave it, all you would need to do is again hold your power key and select restart, which will reboot the device, and once it boots back up, it will be back in normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.